General Manager jangka Food Corporation of India FCI Northeast Frontier Region, Regional Office Shillong USK Yadav lo Kyntait war ya ka jinkano baka Food Corporation of India kala sam do khaw plastic paidbah nongbam khaw rashon jangka jela Meghalaya. Hakajinga kren bekilat pathai kubor ke sengi palai USK Yadav loong bahaduk menta ke regional office kampat yok setia ya kenu ke jing ujor halor ke ni bar hakajuk ke por ula pinshai bu khaw balakle dawai umdei setia khaw plastik bar kipat ba kimdei setia ban sngotu bakla halor ke ni. Shushu loong baki khaw ki bak FCI ka penpoi shu paidbah ki dei ki bladep pej bnya hakikar dan baper ban pentikna baki long ki bashngan ban bam nakata ka daw ki paidbah kimdei ban artatin AA ban bam yu khaw ba penpoi lingba ke FCI ulaong.
You get complaints like that?
Very good question you asked. Luckily, I had been director FSSAI also. So this complaint we received there also that plastic rice. I think there are some misconception also. Some boiled rice, during its cooking process, if we immediately release that moisture, so it has some. If you compress that, it has some that elasticity effect. So some people call it that plastic rice. Otherwise, producing a plastic rice is much costlier than growing that natural rice. Even after that, if some complaint is received, that is, I think, in that FSSAI also and in Consumer Affairs Ministry also, that is each and every complaint is attended with fullest of that is that potential. And I invite you, if you get any such complaint of plastic rice or any that other quality issue of FCI, we will take it in a very that positive way, and rather we would invite you at some of our godowns. I think in Jan or Feb that one Parliament committee has also visited. They have also seen some of our godowns. In Shillong we have very that good godown. You can visit any time. Rather, I would request my officers to invite you at regular intervals, and your feedback and your that whatever that your complaints also would be entertained with a positive spirit. As on date, we have not received a single quality complaint from any of the state government.
No, what about the measures the FCI is taking to ensure that